How to identify and fix comma splice errors. The word splice means to join two things together at the ends. We might splice wood or even film, joining the end of one piece to the beginning of another. A comma splice occurs when we join the end of one complete sentence to the beginning of another, placing a comma in between. For example, the storm was approaching. Alex decided to take a shower. Here we have two complete sentences, also known as two independent clauses, and a comma between them. Is this comma splice an error? To find out, ask yourself two questions. First, are the sentences related? In other words, are they about similar things? And two, are the sentences short? Are they 6 words or fewer? If you answer no to one or both questions, there's a comma splice error. If you answer yes to both questions, there's no error. Let's return to our example. The storm was approaching. Alex decided to take a shower. Are the sentences related? No, it doesn't seem like it. What has the storm got to do with Alex taking a shower? One is about a storm and the other is about Alex's hygiene. Are the sentences short? Yes, each sentence is 6 words or fewer. So what's our verdict? Well, we answered no to one of the questions, which means there's a comma splice error. Here's a new example. The storm was approaching. The wind shook the trees. First, are the sentences related? Yes, the violent wind is part of the approaching storm. The storm was approaching. The wind shook the trees. Are the sentences short? Yes, each sentence is 6 words or fewer. So what's our verdict? Well, we answered yes to both questions, so there's no error. One last example. The winter storm was approaching from the west at a steady speed. Many families in the suburbs were worried. Are the sentences related? Yes, the families are worried about the storm. We can see the connection between the two sentences. Are the sentences short? No, both sentences are over 6 words. We've answered no to one of the questions, so there is a comma splice error. How do we fix a comma splice error? We have 2 options. First, we can replace the comma with a period. Second, we can insert an appropriate conjunction. In this example, let's try replacing the comma with a period. And this is what it looks like when we insert an appropriate conjunction. And here's a reminder. Conjunctions are connecting words, in case you forgot. Like when, since, and, while, even though, unless, but, like, your, because, although, until, and so that. That's it. You've learned how to identify and fix comma splice errors.